What are some healthy practices? Taking care of yourself is a healthy practice. At home, you do many things to take care of yourself. You brush your teeth. You get plenty of sleep. You clean your body. You eat healthy food. You play and get exercise. You put on clothes that are best for the weather outside. Healthy practices in the community are important. There are many things you do to be healthy. You wear a helmet when you ride your bike. You follow rules of the road when you ride your bike. You play in parks or your yard. You do not play in places of business or the street. You have respect for teachers, family members, friends, peers, and other individuals. Staying away from sharp things that can hurt you is a healthy practice. Staying away from medicines and things that can make you sick is a healthy practice. Seeking help from a parent or trusted adult to solve a problem is a healthy practice. Wearing a seatbelt is a healthy practice. Always follow healthy practices for a happy life.